All right, generator backup power video. This is a Harbor Freight 8750 watt backup generator. I set it up on a Harbor Freight garden wagon, and I installed a platform, as you can see, and basically that is two pieces of ACX that has been doubled up, and the bottom piece sits inside the frame of the cart, and it's very strong. It's a 1,000-pound cart, but doing it this way distributes the weight evenly, so worked out pretty good. Here I have a container with all my power cords. So I've got I utilize my 50 amp RV extension cord, save myself the money that way. Just picked up these adapters, Amazon specials. That way, if I ever want to go to a 50 amp generator, I can do it. And this right here is a 30 amp 220 outlet. And what I do is I utilize these two other 110 20 amp circuits, and I set up a separate input on the panel for that, which I'll show later.